a serious mistake. The dragon is wary. A jab or a kick could injure it fatally. Water buffalo, an animal 10 times their size. Dragons lurk around the margins. The buffalo seems to view them as just an irritation, not a danger, a serious mistake. The bites are just flesh wounds, but other dragons are alert now. Like sharks, they're excited by blood. The buffalo leaves with just a limp. The dragons appear to have failed. Yet they show a peculiar interest in the buffalo and follow it wherever it goes. As the days pass, the buffalo's wounds don't heal. It starts to weaken. The dragon's hunting method begins to come clear. A brand new discovery reveals that the dragon has venom, like a snake. The bite will eventually prove fatal, but it's going to take several weeks.